Hey guys, what is up? It's Hector here, back again with another iPadOS update video. Today guys, we have a small security update coming up here, so let's just go ahead and get right into the video. I do want to go ahead and just say that the official release notes didn't actually specify any new features and also didn't specify what exact bugs it's fixing, so a lot of this video is just my own hypotheses on what bugs previously in iPadOS 13.5 could be fixed, but I can't say for 100% that they will all be actually fixed in this update. So first, let's start off the video talking about performance. Before in iPadOS 13.5, I had a single core score of 3913 and a multi-core score of 9514. Upon updating, I now have a single core score of 3928 and a multi-core score of 9496. So a little bit of an increase there, but nothing too substantial. So if you guys didn't know, in iPadOS 13.5, it was actually possible to jailbreak your iPad, and because of this reason, Apple released iPadOS 13.5.1 to patch this jailbreak. So now if you update to iPadOS 13.5.1, you will not be able to jailbreak through this method anymore. This was confirmed by the developers of the jailbreak as well. In iPadOS 13.5, there was a bug where the iPad could be stuck in an endless boot cycle, so we can expect that this issue will be fixed in iPadOS 13.5.1. There's also some issues with playing back video on iPadOS 13.5, which means that this problem should be fixed as well. The final thing I want to touch on is that some have reported huge battery drains on iPadOS 13.5, so I assume that this new update should fix that as well. So there we go guys, hope you did enjoy this quick little update video. For more update videos on the latest watchOS, iPadOS, and macOS updates, make sure to click on that subscribe button and bell icon, and like this video if you found it helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.